Hello everybody, so in this video I'm going to try and fix my laptop that never sleeps. This laptop does not hibernate or sleep, it basically just go into a deep shutdown, and when you try to open the lid it basically starts from the zero and takes ages to start up. So let me show you first thing that you are going to do. So first play we're going to search in is control panel. So in control panel we have power options. This power options tells us, as you can see, to choose our power plan, but we are not going to see right here. We're going to go choose what closing the lid does. Hope you see this. Okay guys, now hopefully you see everything. So as you can see, we're going to see when I close the lid, as you can see it says sleep on battery or either unplugged in, but that's not what happens. So let me show you actually an example of what happens. So let's say right now, as you can see, I have control panel open. So close the laptop. Let's wait for these two lights to shut down and leave one light blinking. As you can see right now, only one light is blinking. So let's see what happens when I turn him on. Just put this guy back. So as you can see, the laptop is turning on and it's going to take ages. So let's wait for him actually. Oh my god, this is the last thing I want him to do, and it's to update Windows. What are you doing? Okay, we're finally in the desktop, as you can see. So not only that it took ages to even turn on, but it also became slower. And I'm telling you, this laptop is not like this. It's like not super fast, just a i5 Gen with 8 gigs of RAM, but at least it's a bit too faster. As you can see, we've had control panel open. Right now there will be nothing, and I'm going to bet to get some errors. So let's see. Yep, as you can see, it's so slow. Okay, we're finally in the desktop after like what, 4 minutes of waiting. This driver cannot load on this device. This is a subject for another time. So as you saw, also I have this application that's called ASUS Instant On, which all of these things came pre-installed. I mean not pre-installed, I installed them, but they were on the website. So we're going to see that okay, so I guess this angle is a bit better. Anyway, so let's see right now what settings have to do with when closing the lid, on what to do when closing the lid. So we're going to go on power and battery. Oh my gosh, this is so slow right now. What's this? Power mode is set automatically while the high performance power plan is used. Just zoom in a bit. Okay, so we're going to see screen, sleep, hibernate and timeout. So we are going my device hibernate after never, and my device hibernate after never. It's not what we have to do. Lid, power, sleep and control. So as you can see, closing the lid, sleep. Closing the lid will make my PC sleep. So it's not a problem right here. It's a problem, I guess, in the software on the BIOS. So I guess we're going to have to boot into the BIOS and see. So if you don't know what BIOS key is your laptop, you're just going to go into settings. This is actually a tutorial on how to enter BIOS without knowing the BIOS key. I know the BIOS key, so I'll just try to show you. So we're going to go onto Windows Update, Advanced Options, we're going to Recovery, and we are going, as you can see, to Advanced Startup. So we're going to click on Restart Now, we're going to click on Restart Now. So what this thing is going to do is it's going to go into the Windows advanced menu, or I don't know what it's called, advanced startup menu, is going to show us the diagnostic mode, which is called safe mode, and it's going to show us a lot of settings. So what we're going to want to do is, let's just wait for it. Oh my gosh, please wait. See, it has a problem even restarting. This should not happen. It's going to supposed to actually restart into the advanced menu or something like that. So view patiente is please wait. So this is what we should get. Choose an option. We're going to choose troubleshoot, advanced option. We're going to choose UEFI firmware settings. So we're just going to click on restart, and the laptop is supposed to restart into the BIOS. So from here we're going to see if there is a settings for our beloved laptop. So from us, as you can see, we're going into advanced. There we go, wake up only as enabled. Power off energy. When enabled, the system power consumption can be reduced at power off state. The wake up capability might not be workable, and it's disabled, so everything right here is good. Just going to click on save and exit. Let's wait for the laptop to turn on. It's actually a perfect example to see how, not that fast, but how fast compared to early. When I close the lid, the laptop turns on. Okay guys, finally, so we're going right now to head into our beloved friend, and that's Google. We're going to search on how to fix this fucking problem. Okay guys, so we're heading into ChatGPT to see. This is very common Windows plus ASUS laptop issue, not a hardware fault. Okay, this is good. So let's see what does he says. So since this screen is basically a mirror, I think that I'm going to go into white mode so that I can know the structure. As you can see, I'm using a bottle as the tripod, so I don't have a tripod yet. Okay, now I can use this without you guys worrying about the reflections finally, and I can sit down correctly. So what does this laptop says is that we're going to disable fast startup. Fast startup causes instant shutdown instead of sleep on all ASUS laptops. Control panel. Okay, I don't need ChatGPT to tell me what to do. So here's a fun way. We're just going to go select control panel. There we go. We're going into power options. I'm going to click on, what the heck is it? I forgot. Okay, I guess ChatGPT doesn't need to tell me what to do. Choose what the power buttons do. Oh right, I forgot. Choose what the power button do, and we're going to click on show current settings that are currently available, and it is turned on. Okay then, save changes. Okay, what other thing we should do? We're going to go fix sleep / hibernate behavior. We're going to open command prompt as administrator, and we're going to type in these commands. Disable hibernation, fix many shutdown issues. Okay, so CMD as administrator. Yes. Okay, so let's see. We're going to copy the first command. No, not all of them. Run these one by one. So we're going to copy this and paste it. Okay, power CFG minus hibernate off. We are going to, if you want hibernation later, you can re-enable it. So we're going to restart and see. So Intel HD graphics driver critical on S551LB. The old Intel HD 4600 driver can cause black screens as power off when lid closes. So we have to uninstall the driver, and we're going to uninstall it from ASUS website. But it seems like a hell to do. Well, I guess I'll just have to follow. So we have to update the drivers on the Intel HD 4600. But this laptop has a second GPU, and that's the NVIDIA GT740M. So let's see actually what driver do we have. Driver version is 11.2020. Driver version is 2019 15.5171. The one that he says is 15.40 does not have new DCH drivers. So we have to install an old driver, since from what you can see is that this thing is 15 and this guy says 40, and we have right here 5171. What? So we're going to search for Intel 4600 HD. Okay, so I'm asking him what driver exactly should I download, since there are a lot of drivers out there and I don't want to download a mistaken one. I have to restart the laptop and do all of that. So we're going to install the 1018.14.51. Okay, so we're going to search for this driver and download him. Let's give this thing space and enter. Now I do not recommend actually installing drivers from sites like these at all, but since it's HP and my laptop is ASUS, so I don't know, let's just download it raw. It's the worst thing that's going to happen. Break my laptop, get a virus. Just kidding, don't install from these websites. I know what I'm doing, and if I got a virus, I know how to handle it. Okay, and this is why I'm telling you to not download anything. So I downloaded the driver and download the installer of an app that's going to install the driver. This is not what you want. So how can you download just the driver? Come on. Look at where it is, bro. I am. Okay, from the manufacturer server. Okay, bro, I mean it's not from Microsoft Edge. Why do I need to open Microsoft Edge for this? I think this is the first time I open Microsoft Edge in a long time. Okay, so I just had to open Edge. Grab it. Let's download it from here. There we go. Okay, now Control and G. Yup, let's wait for the driver to download. Okay, and we're done. I just realized something, that we're out on battery power, so performance, how am I going? So we still have 66%. I'm lazy to go get the charger. It's downstairs and I'm upstairs and just don't want to go there, bro. So we're going to have to install this driver. Yup, this computer does not meet the minimum system requirements for installing the software. Great, what a great thing. So let's see how we can download this thing another way. So apparently okay guys, so I found it right here on this laptop, I mean on this website. Let's see if my CPU is listed right here, and there it is, i5-4200U. Okay, so my CPU is right here. Let's see, download driver. I guess .exe. Okay, good. Download. Let's see. And I'm back, so let's run this one. It took ages to install. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi or their web server, but the download speed didn't exceed 500 kilobytes per second. It was killing me, bro. Yes. I think that I clicked on run, right? I did not click on no. What? Did I? The installation package is not supported by... What do you mean it's not supported by this processor type? Let me show you. Here, CPU, Intel Core i5-4200U, right here on their site. What does it say? Crap, not here. Oh my god. Why I can't scroll? Come on, there have to be a... There we go. List of processors supported. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Damn it! I swear to god I saw his name. 4210U. I thought I saw... There he is. Look. Look at this bastard. What's this thing? Intel Core i5-4200U processor. What's this, guys? Are you kidding me? Well, I guess it's just my luck, so let's see from where I can download this driver. The drivers, there we go. Yeah, but this is not what I need. I need 5180, and all of these things are 5143, 5143. So, oh, Intel HD graphics 4200. This is being discontinued, so yep, recently discontinued product resources, and there is nothing. Oh my gosh. Yep, 5143. I know a site called Medrivers. This site, I guess, gives me the latest version. Let's see. Thank you for waiting. Okay, finally. Nothing. Yep, as I expected. Oh no, wait. I think that I have to choose Windows 10 since this laptop does not support the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. And still runs fine. Yep, there we go. So, Intel Iris Pro 5171. I guess this one will work. I don't know. Let me ask actually ChatGPT about this. Okay guys, so let's ask ChatGPT about this driver and see what is he going. Yes, the Intel driver will work with your ASUS, but is it going to actually fix this problem? Short answer, yes. So we're going to speed this thing up, so we're just going to watch the speed up of me installing it, since I don't want my first video to be 30 minutes long. Okay, so the driver finally got installed, so let's run him and see what is going to happen. So it seems like we're encountering some errors, as you can see. So I have 1, 2, 3 installations running. None of them is working. They're just running in the background, I guess. Oh no, there we go, finally. Automatically run WinSat and enable the error desktop team? No. Do you want to accept? Yes. Next. and let's continue. Okay, it's finished. Next, yes, I want to restart this guy right now. Okay guys, finally. What? Oh, right. So right now everything should be working. So from the drivers up to the actual sleeping issue. Oh my gosh, I have broken English. Okay. Let's see if device manager right now recognizes the new driver version. And right away, I guess this is a good thing that we don't have anything right here. So display adapters, Intel HD graphics family, driver, yup, 5171, the driver that we wanted to install, right? If I remember correctly, yes, this is the one, it's the 5171. Let's double check. Right, there's nothing bad in double checking. Yup, 5171, good. So now, the real thing is that will this thing work? So let's double check again to see that we have the sleep once you close the lid. What's going on my phone? Oh, there. Yup, sleep. So, okay, good. Let's see, moment of truth. So right now, if I close the laptop, it, as of ChatGPT said, that it should sleep. So closing in 3, 2, 1. Let's wait, as I told you, for this light to turn. Okay, there we go. Right now the light is blinking. So now, when I open this lid, by the way, it's really cold, that's why I'm wearing gloves. And it's not working.